Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that there is no change on the chart of gold. So the market structure is still confusing. There is no structure right here. We can see a pure sideways market, and market is trading in a very narrow range. So the trading opportunities are limited. As we all know, December and January are not the perfect months to trade because after 28th of December till second week of January, okay, market is sluggish, market is dull because market is in holiday mode. But we can see that right at the beginning of December only, market is in holiday mode. Actually, the market is waiting for NFP. After NFP, we can expect that the market will take a direction and we will get some good trades. But this is the NFP week, and before a major event like NFP, market prefers to stay silent. And moreover, this is the month of December. So let's see how does the market perform after NFP. But before NFP, I would like to repeat again that, my dear friends, trading opportunities are limited right now. So beginners, new traders, you need to be little careful because if you end up entering on the middle of the chart, okay, you will lose money. Most people hate sideways market because they end up entering on the middle of the chart, they get stuck and end up losing money. So this is not the ideal market for beginners, new traders. Moreover, if you're a positional trader, swing trader, this is also not the ideal market for you. After NFP, if market takes a direction, then you can look for a trade. But beginners, new traders, positional traders, swing traders, this is not the right time for you. Okay. If you're a day trader, if you have a good hold over day trading, then you can look for some quick entry and exits. That's it. And you can see that overall there is no change on the levels that we discussed yesterday or day before yesterday. The levels or the big levels are still the same. For example, we have the best support around 2605 to 2610. This level is still very much valid, but chances of market coming down to 260510 is very less. So during the day, if you see market is going down, in that case you can look for a support around 2622 to 2620 again. 2622, 2620, market has tested it many times, not at all a reliable level, but still we have no other option. So if market takes support around this area, we can look for a buy again. Yesterday I mentioned, today also I would like to repeat that, my dear friends, the reliable levels are far away. So the immediate levels are not very reliable, so don't go big. Okay, so 2622, 2620 is not a reliable level, but if you see market is taking support, then you can look for a buy position. Otherwise, 2610, 2605 or 2575, okay, these are the reliable levels. Okay, and you can see that I have also drawn a dotted line here. Dotted line मैंने draw किया हुआ है. So what is the dotted line? Okay, so if market breaks 2631 during the US session, okay, then only go for a sell below it, because to break any level, volume is extremely important. In absence of volume, if we go for a breakout or breakdown trade, there is a high chance that it will be a false breakout. So before US session, try to avoid. Okay, but if you see that, okay, market is going down with big candles, then you can look for a sell with 40 or 50 pips stop loss. What should be your target? 40 to 50 pips only. In this market, if you can get 1:1 risk to reward ratio also, good enough. Okay, but if market becomes very dull, okay, if volume reduces further, then obviously, okay, market won't be able to break it, and maybe, okay, you will see market going up from here. So this is how volume plays the role. Okay, volume decides whether market will bounce or market will break it. You'll see that most of the minor levels, okay, most of the minor levels, okay, do not perform during the US session. So the suppose there is one level, okay, there is one level, and this is not a very strong level. During the Asian session, you will see it is working as support. Okay, but during the US session, you will see the same level, okay, working as a level below which we can look for a sell. Okay. Anyways, if market goes up from here, okay, if market goes up from here, then we can look for a sell around 2663 to 665. Okay, we have discussed earlier also. We can look for a sell around this area. No such reason, but yes, we do have some resistance, so we can look for a sell. The next selling opportunity will be around 267, 678. Okay, both the levels are varied. I don't want to talk about 2696, 26700 because this is far away. Chances of market going to this level is very less. So let's keep our eyes on this particular portion of the market only. So again, I'm repeating, my dear friends, this is a sideways market, so try to avoid entering on the middle of the chart. For example, right now we market is turning around 2647. This is not the ideal place. So if market drops 2610, 2605, undoubtedly a good level, but okay, market has very low probability of going there, so we can look for a buy around 2622, 2620 area as well. After the US session, if you see market going down, we can look for a sell below 2631 as well. And on the other hand, if market goes up, then we can look for a sell around 266365 and 2676. These are the two levels, okay, where we can look for a sell opportunity during the day. And we have a news coming up also during the US session. The chances of market showing some good volatility is very less. My friends, you must be knowing that the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again. It's starting from 20th of December. Both Hindi and English, दोनों language में होता है. It's a 7 days workshop followed by 1 month support. If you're struggling with the market, unable to make money, then yes, you can consider joining it because I have structured the classes in such a way so that you can understand and execute them in a proper manner. So there will be 7 classes. Okay, at first there will be 3 consecutive classes and 4 weekly sessions. The dates are mentioned here. You can see that the workshop will start from December and it will continue till 8th of Feb. Why such gaps? Because we need to learn and execute, okay, and in the form of support you will be receiving regular market updates, analysis on the WhatsApp group, and we also have a Telegram community for interaction with other members. So these are the topics that we will be discussing during the first 3 days. And if you're struggling with discipline, risk management, then you will also receive free risk management guide, okay, a checklist, lot size calculator that will help you to become more disciplined in the market. And if you're a resident of India, you must be knowing that Forex trading is a little complicated because of some legal issues. We will have a separate session in the month of January. And if you want to know how does the support or the WhatsApp group and the community looks like, just click here. Okay, you will see a video, okay, sample video. And these are the topics that we'll be discussing during the weekly sessions. All the classes will be through Google Meet. Okay, so if you are unable to attend also because of time difference, nothing to worry. I record each and every session. And the best part is the fees. It's only $20 or rupees 1500 for 7 days workshop with 1 month support. But trading takes time. If you're looking for longer relationship with me, longer support, personal sessions, you can consider joining semi-annual or lifetime. Okay. You'll also receive WhatsApp support from my side. And these are the payment methods. Okay, once you're done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.